Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Stake Goblin. This is a new token that just got listed recently on CoinGecko. Ticker symbol is Goblin. Earlier today it was down 25% when I was looking at it. Now it's up 34.3%. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. The Goblin token, Stake Goblin. This token price is 667.69 cents per token. So yeah, $667 per token. That's there's probably not an insane amount of tokens. Like some of those tokens have like 100 quadrillion tokens. I would assume there is way less than that. So this is on the Arbitrum blockchain. You can find their Arbiscan on CoinGecko. So it says right now there's 628 holders, 10,892 transfers, 9 decimal places, and only 3,946.7 tokens total supply. So yes, not even close to 100 quadrillion, which is why the token price is $667.69 per token. So they have a Twitter you can check out, listed on CoinGecko. They also have a Telegram. Their Telegram is at Goblin ERC20. And their Twitter is at Goblin_ERC20. Their official webpage is stakegoblin.com. You can find all this listed on CoinGecko now, along with a full white paper and price chart and contract address. So this token is available on Sushiswap on the Arbitrum 1 blockchain. So that's where you can get this token, is off of Sushiswap. They will probably give an in-depth explanation on how to acquire this token on their webpage and or white paper. So their white paper you can find at goblin-gitbook.gitbook.io. So it says, a few words from our master. And this is from the master. It says, hey, tough guy, you want to keep hoarding scrap? Or would you rather dip your in a pot full of gold? I'm going to make you eat so much gold that you'll need dental coverage. So basically this is the Goblin talking. So it says, what is Goblin? Goblin is a DeFi protocol offering 3 distinct products: the Goblin token, a staking dashboard, and a yield tracker token, ticker symbol INGOT. The project is inspired by the golden age of staking with a high-speed, low-fee approach. Both the token purchases Sales are not taxed by the contract. Additionally, the staking platform offers unlimited staking with 0 entry and exit fee to stake and unstake. So it says our master's objective when designing the platform was, as he says, we're not going to go over that because there's some curse words in here. But anyways, I picture the Goblin from that movie there. What am I thinking of? Well, there's the Spider-Man Goblin that I used to read the comic books that he would fly around. That Goblin guy, he'd throw those little pumpkin bombs. But yeah, anyways, I keep thinking of Leprechaun, the Leprechaun movie, which is not a goblin at all, but that's what I picture in my head. That green face. So what is the point of Goblin? It offers a platform that is going against current markets trends with tokenomics that will make it an easy bet for any sized wallet. As the project grows, we have the opportunity to build an ecosystem and expand on the original contracts with DAO, treasury, investment pools, etc. So Goblin is a decentralized platform that can be used with the governance main token Goblin. These tokens can be staked in a yield-based contract that will offer exponential yield over a short period of time. Here is the short run-up of the steps required. Number 1, you would purchase Goblin. So here's how you would get it. It says to be able to use the staking platform, you need at least 1 Goblin token. You can find a trading pair on Sushiswap on the Arbitrum chain. So it says, then stake Goblin. By staking Goblin, you earn more Goblins over time. You don't need to do anything else. And then unstake Goblin. Once you're happy with the yield earned, you can unstake your tokens or stake even more and collect the rewards. So the tokenomics here says Goblin token is the main token. The governance token, it can be bought through Uniswap. When you're staking tokens, you're actually staking Goblin tokens. So the Ingot token, this is the tracker token used to keep track of your balance of staked Goblin tokens. When you stake your tokens, you'll receive Ingot tokens at a rate of 1 Goblin equals 1 Ingot. When you unstake, you lose Ingot tokens and you receive Goblin tokens at the same rate. So, buying and selling fees is 0% tax, and staking and unstaking fees is 0% tax. So if you are going to buy this token or sell this token, you most likely will not have to change the slippage at all. Now, there's a using Goblin token section, and it shows you how the dashboard works. So the staking dashboard is going to have the following information on it: annual percentage yield, total value locked, current index, your balance, your staked balance, next reward amount, your next reward yield, and your return on your investment with a 5-day rate. So buying Goblin, it says you can buy from Sushiswap, and it gives you the direct link to do that on their Gitbook page, on their white paper. Then it has a staking guide, step-by-step on how to do it. Then there is a roadmap on here as well. So they have the launch phase, which is contract deployment, and then they have website and community bootstrap, staking dashboard, initial marketing push, DAO integration, then phase 2, wrapped tokens conception, which is the Ingot token, then the new Goblin platform, then they're going to have NFTs, which are utility driven, then we're going to have mainstream marketing, then last phase here is going to be new staking contract, investment pool, new listings on different exchanges, and liquidity provider rewards. So check this token out, the Goblin token, the Stake Goblin token. You can find it listed now on CoinGecko, and it's actually doing very well today, up 34.3% right now. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Goblin token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.